Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about cashforoffers.com and adnetmarket.com. Both of them are the same company. One is for their affiliate program, which is adnetmarket.com. Cashforoffers.com is a way to earn income for reading paid emails, referring your friends to their site with the link that will be provided after you sign up, and you get paid cash within 72 hours. And you also, all you have to do is just play online games, take paid surveys. These are the four methods to earn money. You'll earn about $2 to $6 for emails, referring friends, take paid surveys, and play online games. When you sign up, they'll offer you a $5 bonus when you sign up. This company is 100% legit, and it has sponsors with AdNet Market, which is the affiliate program, Netflix, and so forth. To contact them is through email. And let's go over how the membership program starts. You agree to their terms and conditions. There's a minimum age requirement of being 18 years old. Affiliate program. Paid emails pay from 1 cent and up. Is a little bit different. I'll provide this information at the bottom of the video. And referral bonuses pay between $1.50 to $6 based on your traffic type on the affiliate program. You have to have a valid email address, provide accurate information, and you can sign up for the newsletter if you want. You have the option to, and you can terminate this account. If there's no activity within 3 months, your account is closed. And then 1 account per member. Relationship, no spamming, fraud protection they have, crediting. Yeah. All schools that are using TruePay, I'll make credit member account 50 cents to $8 depending on the offer selected and complete at trial pay. Alright, how you get paid. With initial balance of $5 account, we're not eligible to receive any payment and we are not liable for any amount. Then you have to earn $20 for a total of $35 balance. So minimum to cash out is about $35. See what else they have. Then after they said they'll pay you, it take about 25 days to process your payment. You'll be paid 25th of every month. You must have at least $25 in completed survey since the last payment. And it takes about 3 business days to receive if you're a gold member, you only process in 3 business days. Since you're at the bottom, you may be like a bronze member. Okay, let's see what else they have. Okay, member policy dot how to earn cash online, which is this thing. They have detailed information. To contact them, you can contact by email only. Let's go. Let's see what else. Okay, the company is from 2003, so the company is very old. Their affiliate marketing company is from 2010, which is about 10 years old. And they're verified by Whois.com. Is 100% legit. They're both owned by the same company, Cash for Offers. Okay, on the affiliate program, they pay you $2 to $6 for reading emails, taking surveys email. For Cash for Offers is not an affiliate program by itself. It just refer people, take surveys, do for yourself, make income. So they give you another option, affiliate program. You can make 2 sides of income from 2 different ways. Okay, the company on the AdNet. You can earn money for advertising, and it's 100% free for you. Publishers, you can join also for free. Publishers are, you have to have a website for this. Well, advertisers, you don't. You can just use social media as your advertisement platform. Okay, for the publishers, they give you $150 when signing up for their pro program, and you have to make commissions within 60 days in order to get to them. They give you that $150. If you make $1,000 commission, they'll give you about $500 to $1,000 extra money. The requirements for a publisher are you have to have a legit website and a telephone number, and then you just create the account, and then they'll tell you your sales representative will be right here, and the affiliate manager, you can only email them. And these are the basic requirements. Publishers sign up by invitation only, so that means someone has to refer you to that one. But for advertiser, it doesn't say you need that, so you can you can sign up as an advertiser. They pay you within 72 hours, and you don't have to pay any setup fees. You advertise on their website, and it'll go around their website 72 every single day to all their members. They advertise on social media, so your ads will be run through social media as well. And you can also advertise by yourself on social media to get referrals and then earn $2 to $6. Let's see what else. For advertisers, doesn't seem anything, so I think it's the same information. About them, their job is online marketing. They'll teach you how to grow relationship, maximize revenue, generate leads, and provide the best return on investment based on their tracking software. They're committed to provide good customer service at a high level of success. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys next time.